Hello, Moonlight Mafia. It's Josh, and we are in room number 10226 on board the MSC Meraviglia. Let's check it out. Come on over here. All right, we've got the restroom. Very, very beautiful and nice. Look at how big. That's what she said. Oh, even a fat boy has room. Look at the fat boy room. Fat boy room. All right, very sleek, very nice. Has the lip. Not going to get that water overflowing. Places to look at that. Fancy. We can put our stuffs in there, our toothbrushes. All right, coming out. This is an interior room, by the way, if I didn't mention that earlier. And another key to note thing that we just found out is that you have to use your cell and sign card. They are very environmentally conscious on board the ships. If you do not use your cell and sign card, this will not work. Full digital thermostat, and if you want do not disturb, hit that button. If you'd rather them make your room up, boom, there you go. So you don't have to fool with door hangers. Nice mirror and desk area, as well as a mini bar here. Closet space to include the safe. The TV is just large enough. It's not huge, but it works. And as we move around, we got the king size set up here for me and Chance. Very nice conventional headboard here, super comfortable. Very, very top of the line. It's cool. So on some ships, the air conditioning is not cool. It is cool. I like it. So far, so good on the MSC Meraviglia. Check us out, guys. We're Moonlight Adventures, and we have cocktails.